Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the roadman, and today I'm traveling from Lusaka to Kabwe. Okay, so that's a video for today. But how I'm going to travel, how I'm going to get to Kabwe, that's something that is very interesting, guys. So I don't know if you guys are able to see. This is Zambia from this other side. So I'm at a place. Let me show you. Actually, there's Euro Stadium. So I'm just going to, jump on any vehicle that is going to Kabwe. Yeah, it can be public transport or it can be a private vehicle. Yeah. So I want to get there as quick as possible. So yeah, as you can see, that's the Euro Stadium there. Yeah. So basically there you see a lot of vehicles parked. That's where I'm going to jump on a vehicle from and get to Kabwe. Okay, so this will be an experience, guys. Yeah, stick around, watch the video from start to finish. Let's go. So that's the National Hero Stadium over there. So these vehicles that you're seeing here are going to different places, on the Great North Road. So that's the Copper Belt, province of Zambia. Okay. But there are also a lot of people, as you can see. All these people are going to the Copper Belt. Take a look. So I'm just going to join these guys and wait for a vehicle. Okay. 100 boss, eh? Okay, thanks.
Okay, so after waiting for about 20 minutes trying to find the best vehicle that can actually take me to Kabwe, and also at a reasonable price, I found this guy. He was heading to Kabwe to pick up his friend. So he said, yeah, it's all right, let's go. And the cost was only about $5 US, which was I think a fair price, because normally normally it's about 10 USDs when traveling from Lusaka to Kabwe. So I think this was a good bargain for me. So I jumped on it right away and we're on our way to Kabwe. Yeah, so guys, enjoy the journey as we travel. I'll also get to show you in this particular video, I'll show you the new development along this road. It also has some amazing sceneries, as well as the new road which they are constructing. You know that this road, they're trying to turn it into a dual carriage way, where we are going to have like 4 lanes heading the same direction, and two lanes heading the same directions, and the other 2 like heading the opposite direction. So yeah, it's a dual carriageway which they're trying to construct. And here we are. This is the toll plaza here. So here you have to pay. Of course, our good driver actually paid. Yeah, it was actually a smooth journey. But yeah, let's see and show you guys the beautiful sceneries along this beautiful journey. And if you don't know some of the places, I will get to show you guys. So yeah, let's go. So on the left you can see there, guys, that they are grading. So the works are underway. They are trying to make this beautiful road into a dual carriageway. As you can see just now, it's like two, you know, the other road is going like headed our direction, and then the other one is coming on the opposite direction. So now it's more like where we're driving from this side, the two lanes will actually be like heading the same direction, like, you know, Lusaka. And then these other two, the ones which they are grading, that's where we'll be using, that's the one we'll be using when you're going to the copper belt, you know. So this road is actually going into, it's going all the way up to Ndola, you know. So it will be an amazing road when it's done. It will also reduce some accidents. Actually, that's what we hope anyway, and the traffic as well. Yeah, so enjoy the journey, guys. This place is actually called Liteta. So this is a place here. You can see Liteta District Hospital on the right. It's a very beautiful place, even though I feel like it has taken time for it to develop. I remember back in 1999 it was just like this, you know. But yeah, so that's a place there, Liteta, Liteta, that's what we used to call it anyway. After Paliteta, we reached this place, a very busy place with the market on the right there. As you can see, a lot of people selling tomatoes. This place is called Kasukwe, you know. That's Kasukwe. That's a place there, if you've heard of Kasukwe, guys. So yeah, let's keep going. After Kasukwe, we got to Chiwombo. This is the Chiwombo turnoff here. So this one has actually developed. This area, guys, has developed so much since the last time I stayed around this area, and I'll show you where our house was. It's just along this same road. Let me show you where a lot of mango trees on the right. Okay, there, that's where we stayed with my grandmother, right there, you know. So it was quite along the road. Yeah, so I know this place like no man's business, guys. Okay, so let us continue on our journey to Kabwe. ahead of us is Zambia Jinxi Cooperation Economic Development Zone, which is a joint venture between the Chinese government and the Zambian government. They're trying to put up, you know, some processing plantation somewhere, something like that, on this particular land, as you can see there. Okay, so this area of Chiwombo, guys, has really developed, and I was impressed when I was passing here. You know, it's a very nice place now. These used to be big farms.
The next 10 years, not even 10 years, 5 years. Yeah. 5 years.
Okay, after Chiwombo, we reached Pajoni. This is Pajoni Chinena. It's a very beautiful, busy market as always. Even though here, I've seen some massive development, but the market itself has remained the same. It's more like it's a traditional market. You can see on the left here, people selling a lot of watermelons, you know, and tomatoes and things like that. It's a very busy market, and a lot of people know this place, and they normally stop whenever you're coming from the Copper Belt. If you want to buy anything here, guys, you can just simply tell the driver that I want to get something per journey, and then yeah, they will stop here, you buy. It's a very interesting market. See, even this far they're still trying to grade the road on the left side, so it's very busy during this time around. You know, there are a lot of these excavators, you know, earth working machines. They are all over this place, you know. Actually, from Lusaka all the way up to the Copper Belt is very busy, you know, with this road, this dual carriageway. It looks like the government is this time around is very serious. They want to like complete it, and you know, we are heading towards the election, so they just have to finish, I think. Look at that. So all these vehicles parked here working, you know.
Here, you know, so this side is the mine area, you know, but then the actual mining is being done from this other side. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now. Take care of yourselves.